Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Leo with DRIPCalc, and I want to make this quick video about how I got Robinhood Gold card real fast. So basically I was on a waiting list for 6 months, and I know people have been getting the card, and there's about 2 million people on the wait list to get this card because it's awesome. But in this video I'll tell you the story of how I got this card pretty fast and how I got off the waiting list, and basically now I have the card within a week. So let's begin. Alright guys, so basically first I gotta give credit to Amit Investing. I got this tip from him. Basically one of his friends was on a wait list just like I was, and he contacted support and they expedited his application and he got his card fast. And I did the same thing. I just basically went into my Robinhood app and went to support, chat. I didn't want to do it over the phone, so I did it over the chat, and basically I just spoke to the guy. His name was Edward, as you can see over here. And I tell him, hey dude, like I've been on a wait list for 6 months, and then like you gotta kind of build your case. So I tell him like, hey, I have a 805 credit score, which is now 808, and then I have such and such portfolio size on Robinhood, blah blah blah. I heard that people contact support and expedite their goal application. Can we do something to speed this up? And he's like, he's asking me a question if I actually have applied. I think it's kind of a stupid question, but whatever. So I tell him like, yes, I'm on the wait list. I want to get the card already. And then like I ask him if he's there, because there was like a few moments of pause, and then he's like, yeah, I'm here, 1 minute, working on getting you off the wait list. And then a couple minutes later, basically he moved me off the wait list and onto actual like application list. So he's like, okay, you're off the list, now you can apply for the gold card. So he moved me to the front of the line, and at some point I got an email like, hey, yeah, you can apply now. But once I got this message, I went into gold credit card app. And like I've been checking for 6 months, I've been checking that app, that stupid app. Like, you're still on the wait list. Invite 20 people and we'll give you the actual gold card, made out of gold. And I'm like, what the hell? I want the credit card, not to invite 20 people. So anyway, so I went to the app, and the application took like a couple minutes, just because they already had my information. Basically, like just confirm, make sure like everything is right, submit. Within 2 minutes, I was approved, and then it was like a person verification. So I took a picture of my license, then I took a picture of me from the front, from the left, from the right side, and 20 minutes later the verification was complete, and I got my card number. I could start using it. It was added to the wallet, but I didn't get the physical card yet until yesterday. And so that's the opening was what you saw in the video, in the beginning of the video. And so I already used the card, and so here are some really cool perks. So 3% cash back on basically on absolutely everything, and you can use that cash back, put it straight into your Robinhood investment account, which is what I'm going to do. So like just basically start using this card for absolutely everything except for Costco and Amazon, because like Costco credit card gives you better benefits at Costco, and Amazon gives you 5% off for Prime members. Anyway, so other than that, I'm going to use this for absolutely everything. It's great benefits, and I will put this money straight into my Robinhood account and invest it, and probably invest it back into Robinhood stock, which has been on it. Today it's down like 5% because a lot of things are down today. But like, look at this. This chart, it's absolutely amazing. The other day, guys, it was like $58. If you look over here, 1 year chart, it was like 50, at some point it was like $58. It closed at 56. So yeah, and I think it's going back into the right. And I've been buying this stock. I don't know if you followed my older videos from like 6 months ago on August 5, when there was a crash. I just bought a bunch of stock for like $17, but then I got burdened by what has been. Look at this. So I had the urge to like collect some, cash as we go, not just sit on the paper gains, and I got myself into a little pickle with my covered calls. So now I'm down like $6,000 on them, and I have to wait almost a year until they expire, and my strike price is $45. So this is already like $8 below current price, which is not good. And yeah, I gotta wait a year. So if you guys want to not get unburdened by what has been, I highly recommend doing your long-term investment. Like in your swing account, this is cool, but if you want to do this in a long-term trading account, I highly recommend SoFi, because you don't have level 1 option, so you cannot sell cover calls, you cannot sell puts, so it's very hard to kind of like, lose the big fish for like, a few crumbs, just like I did over here. Like nobody expected that that Robinhood will take off like this crazy. But the thing is with Robinhood, guys, this quarter will be amazing. And actually today I want to make a video preview of the earnings, and you can see over here. So last quarter was 643 million. This quarter is going to be close to a billion. So it's going to go like this. Chart will have to expand a little bit right here. Yeah, so it's not going to fit in this chart because there will be a couple of bars will need to be added. Their EPS will be crazy. Can they repeat it going forward? I'm not sure. But this will be a really nice quarter, really good quarter. And I think this will be a great year for Robinhood. And while nobody expected this kind of performance, but quarter 4, especially with like the elections of the Trump pump, was amazing for Robinhood. We'll see the report tomorrow. But what happened, if you look here, let's look at 1-year chart. Last time they reported was right over here. They had a massive dip. And this is, guys, I took advantage of the dip. On November 1st, I basically bought this option right here for $13.20, and now it's up to 23%. And then last dip, when Jay Powell was talking about not cutting rates so fast, Robinhood dropped again and I bought for $37 right over here. So again, there might be a dip. So I think this was the dip. No, right here. No, right over here. This is after Jay Powell was talking. So it's like 44, 45, boom, 37. And so picked up the dip. And now it ran away like crazy. But tomorrow earnings, they don't always do so well after earnings. So we might have a buying opportunity. And not a financial advice, guys, but use those opportunities wisely, because this stock will be doing, in my opinion, will be doing amazing. And also, now again, not financial advice, but don't get yourself into a pickle like this. Like, it's a nice problem to have, like from 17 to 45 plus whatever the credit here. But, not I'm down 6 grand on this position, so not cool. That's why, if you want long term where you like not tempted by the covered calls and stuff like that, SoFi is amazing for that. And I'll actually be making more videos about SoFi. They just started the SoFi Plus program today, and I already signed up for that, so I want to make a video about that. Anyway, a lot of content to push out, not enough time, but thanks for watching, guys. Again, if you want to get your gold card, just contact support, Robinhood support, through their app, and there's a very good chance you'll get expedited. Just give them some kind of like why they should move you to the top front of the line. Just like tell them how good a customer you are, blah blah blah, how you're good at paying your credit cards. And yeah, so by the way, guys, we're running right now Valentine's Day promotion for this DRIPCalc Pro software, visual stock research tools. So if you want to try it, completely free, 14 days, 2 weeks free trial. If you don't like it, just cancel it. But 30% lifetime credit, lifetime discount. So when we raise the price, your price stays the same and you get the lifetime discount. So if you want to try it, go ahead. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.